through the employment ama jobs majuu program ambayo inakuwa run through the ministry I'm in, ambayo chini ya uongozi wa Musalia Mudavadi. Mojawapo ya the tasks we have given to our embassies across 70 capitals ni kutafuta njia na nafasi ya vijana wetu ambao wamefuzu, walio na ujuzi, wapate nafasi ya kuweza kufanya kazi. Maana in other parts of the world there is a challenge of labor. There is a challenge of quality labor. Kenya, because it has invested massively on education, we have a surplus. And because we have a surplus, we do not want our young people not to be employed or not to benefit from the investment in education. Instead, we are looking for opportunities out there. Dr. William Ruto is investing in human capital. Kenya siku hizi inajulikana kwa kuwa na the best human capital in Africa. And that is because we have a leadership in place.